Unlock a universe of typography and elevate your designs by learning how to add custom fonts to Photoshop. First, you'll need to acquire your desired fonts. You can find a vast array of free and premium fonts online from various sources. Once downloaded, your fonts will typically be in a compressed folder. Like a zip file, right-click on the downloaded folder and select Extract All or a similar extraction option to access the font files themselves. Now, let's get these fonts into Photoshop. The easiest method is to locate the extracted font file. These usually have extensions like TTF for TrueType font or Auth for OpenType font. Simply double-click on the font file. This will open a font preview window specific to your operating system. In this window, you'll see a prominent Install button. Click it, and Photoshop, along with other compatible applications on your system, will automatically install the font. Once installed, you can find your new font within Photoshop's character panel. Select your text tool, click to create a text layer, and then open the font drop-down menu. Your newly installed font should now be listed alphabetically. Scroll through the list, find your font, and select it. See how that instantly transforms your text and offers a whole new creative dimension. You can now use this font for branding, titles, or any design element that needs that unique stylistic touch. By mastering font installation, you're not just adding options. You're personalizing your work and ensuring brand consistency across all your stunning projects.